Hi friends, once again welcome back. This video is for taxpayers. So if you are paying tax online and if you have a delay in the payment, for example the last date of filing ITR was 31st December 2-3 days back. Now it is 2022. Suppose you have not yet filed the income tax, you can there is a mechanism where you can online verify and see what is the fine you are having in your account. For example, here in this account, as you can see here, 4 components are there. You will also have these 4 components. So what are the components? These 2 components are for late payment of ITR, late filing of ITR. You can see here clearly, it is the interest when a return is filed after due date. Okay, so you can check what is the amount. Here it is 0, but in your account you can check what is the penalty if you have not yet filed on time. There is one more component, fee on delay in filing return. So again here it is 0. Please check in your account if you have missed the filing. Check whether is there any component under this. So these 2 are regarding the late filing of ITR. There are 2 more components, as you can see here, this one and this one. Both of them are default in the payment related to advance tax. Okay, quarterly advance tax and default in advance tax. So that is also 2 types of interest. This person, one person has got 5,400 and 3,900 something, so totally 9,000 fine is there under this category. So you can check all these fines under your category. You can just log in. I will show you the quickest method how to check it online without filing ITR, and lately you can file also the ITR itself, but before that you will know what is the fine under your let us see how this can be done online. So let us quickly log into the income tax portal. You all know that incometax.gov.in, the latest portal. I am giving the link in my video description. After going to this page, you can do from mobile also. Just click on this icon. In mobile you will see an icon like this, kind of a menu icon, and click there and click on login button. If you have not yet registered, please watch our previous video how to register. So now you click on login. I assume that you have a password and username. Username will be your PAN card number or Aadhaar card number. Both has to work, but I am using the PAN card number. Enter the PAN card number and click on continue. Then it will ask the account password. You should have already set it. If you forgot password, please watch our forgot password video to how to recover the password. You click on continue, and then after that you click on the menu icon. There is a 3-line button. Click there, and after that click under income tax returns. This is the option you are going to click to know your fines. Okay, and under that you have one more option, file income tax return. Don't worry, this is not going to file, but the procedure you have to follow is same thing. And here it is kind of you are filing returns, but you are not exactly filing the returns. Select the assessment year, 21-22 is the current assessment year, and after that select the online method. Okay, do not select offline. Select the online method and click on continue. This is also the same process when you follow filing income tax returns, but we are not doing complete process, only partial process. And here you might get a resume filing and start new filing. Please make sure you click on start new filing. Okay, a resume filing is for your draft copy, previous draft copy, which you have if you have done it. Okay, so after that select individual and click on continue option. Okay, we are going for a start filing and continue. Okay friends, and then you are supposed to select your ITR form. You should know which ITR one you have to file. If you do not know those things, please have an Google or find out somehow. When you select a form, you are supposed to click on proceed. Before that you can read under this form selection, you can read. For example, this says individual total income up to 50 lakh and agriculture income up to 5,000 is supposed to file ITR 1. So the same way, if you select say ITR 2, below that it will be given who has to file ITR 2. So those support also government is giving. So in my example I am going to select ITR 1, so you should know what is the ITR you are falling under, and continue. Then again click on let's get started. Once you click on let's get started, it will go under which category you are going to file income tax. You can select accordingly. You can change later also, but I am going to select the first option. That doesn't matter, you can select anything. You are seeing only the fine option as of now. Okay, now click on OK button. Once you click on OK, you can see here first tab will be your personal information, next one will be gross total income. So first click on personal information, because only once you click on one tab the other will get activated. So I have clicked the personal information and I come at the bottom of the page, click on confirm button. Once you click on confirm button, yeah, you are supposed to select a tax regime, old or new. Okay, so accordingly you can select old or new, which you should know which tax regime you are falling under. I am selecting no here because I fall under previous tax scheme. I opted for that, and click on confirm. You can see here your personal information is confirmed and gross total income has been enabled now. Now click there, again come at the bottom of the page and click on continue. So basically what we are doing is just continue all the pages by default, because we need the last option where it will show the tax liability. So you do not have a mechanism to directly go there. So I just confirm here. This page also I confirm. So now you can see personal information done, gross total income done. Now I am going to click under total deductions. Okay, don't worry, this is not the filing your income tax. This is the same process, but I am not going to submit this, so it will not affect you anyways. Always you can go back and do a start new filing also. Don't worry about this. Okay, just click on continue at the bottom of the page. So once you click on continue at the bottom of the page, you will get to know the rough idea of your income tax fines and stuff. So we are concentrating on that. You can fill all these things later once you really going to file the income tax. Okay, now click on confirm at the bottom of the page also. And once you do so, you can see here tax paid pages get activated. Click there also, again at the bottom, confirm that also. So don't change any values as of now, okay, because we are having a rough estimate on what is the delay in payment. We are going to see the payment penalty. Now you are at the last box where total tax liability. This is what we wanted, but you can't directly access it. That is the only reason we have confirmed everything one by one and come here, and this is the page under total tax liability. You got 4 components as we described in the beginning. You can see here the last component is fee on delay in filing ITR returns. For this person it is 0, so he does not get any filing because he has already filed it. You can check under your account what is the fee on delay in filing return is appearing, and also you can see applicable when return is filed after due date. When you file a return after due date, you got an interest also. The last one was fee, but this is the interest. This person has got 0, but you can see what is under your tab. And now there are 2 more things. This is regarding to advance tax payment. If you have defaulted or if you have not done properly the advance tax payment, for example this person got 5,400 as a penalty, and if you have not done your quarterly advance payment also on time, you get a fine here also. So these 2 are related to advance tax payment delay and stuff. Okay, you can check it under. And remember friends, these 2 components, first second and third components, you can see the show calculation and see how it was calculated also. Remember second and third components, these 2 components depends on your total income also. Okay, so if you wanted to know the exact calculation of this, you have to go back. We have confirmed each and every screen. In that total income, total gross income, you have to verify whether you have to give any minus there, something like ATC, ATD is taken properly. You have to verify there. You can watch our previous video where how to file the income tax. So the same way you have to see form 16 and fill it and see, so that you will get to the correct calculation of interest. Now I just bypass the past so that this calculation of interest may be not proper, but when you enter real value out of your form 16, you get the calculation proper. But those things are independent of this thing, right? So that means you filled that one properly or not, your fee or your interest and return filing will not change. For example, this person has delayed, he would have got this fee in delay in return filing. Okay, you cannot escape from that. So that way you can just see these 2 components. If you click on show calculation, suppose you got an amount there, you click on show calculation, it will show you the breakup also. It's very transparent. See, you can clearly say tax payable into delay in number of months into 1. So remember friends, each month this component is going to get added. Now it may be not there, so The soon you file, the less interest you are going to pay the income tax department. Very simple. Okay, so don't get delayed. Each month you are delaying, next month you are seeing this interest components get added 1% per month. It's a huge amount. Okay, please try to understand, and please file your income tax as soon as possible. Even if you delay, no problem, at least now you file it. And this fee also, as you can see here, it is 0, but this fee can come extra later each month when you delay. So please don't get delayed in filing the income tax. Even if the last date 31st was already over, don't worry about those things. Go file so that your interest components, as you see on the screen, will not get increased. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share and subscribe. See you with another informative video.